Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is just going to be a really chill type of YouTube video. I honestly love these type of videos. I'm always watching like cleaning videos or like home shopping decor videos. I feel like I do that all the time, but I just never film them. And I don't know. Okay, so there's so much I haven't told you guys. So I got a puppy and her name is 𝕝𝕝𝕝. We just decided, I don't know if you guys know, but I do have a 13-year-old Pomeranian mixed Shetland sheepdog, and he was just very lonely whenever we left him alone. Oh, I say we as in me and my boyfriend, because my boyfriend is also moving in with me. Yeah, there's just a lot. Oh, don't eat my necklace. No. Okay, but this is 𝕝𝕝𝕝. She's a little mini dachshund. She's so cute. Hi, 𝕝𝕝𝕝𝕝. She loves looking at herself. So we got her like 2 weeks ago, and guys, not that it's been like taking a toll on me ever since I got her, but she got super sick, and she still is a little sick, but she's a lot better than what she used to be. So she had a cough like a couple weeks ago. She's still coughing like here and there, but it's not as bad as it used to be. And then she also is positive for Giardia in her poop, which is basically like parasites in her poop. So I've been dealing with her medication schedule, and she's basically on medication every hour. I'm no longer giving her medicine as of right now. I do have a vet appointment with her next Monday. So we're gonna see if she's still positive for Giardia or not, but hopefully she's not. It's just been really tough because I've been taking care of her. Obviously she is my dog and my boyfriend's dog, but I am home 24/7, so I have the authority obviously to like take care of her the most because my boyfriend goes to work. So it's just kind of been me taking care of her, and on her daily med schedule it's just been very hard because I can't go out. Like I haven't gone out in such a long time. I haven't seen any of my friends in a while. It's been like weeks. When it comes to my pets, I just really want them to have the best life ever. Like I really want her to get her playtime, make sure she gets enough sleep, make sure she's getting the right food, make sure she's getting fed at every hour that she needs to be. Her medications are every hour. Like it's just a lot. I know I do have a dog, but I didn't raise him on my own. He was my family's dog, and then he just ended up living with me here now. So this is actually my first puppy, like by myself, raising my first puppy. And she's also a girl and my dog is a boy, so this is kind of like a little different for me because she's a little more sassy, but she is very, very smart, and like I love her. Also, potty training has been so freaking hard just because I'm not allowed to take her outside because of her Giardia, and also she did get a cough, and I think that the cough was when we took her outside. Oh my god, it's just been a lot, guys. Like I'm just so tired. It's finally calmed down a little. Like I did take her out to my apartment's like dog park area. Obviously there were no dogs there, but I did take her outside just to get a little fresh air because honestly I was going crazy. I can't even imagine how she was feeling. So I let her get some fresh air. And then my dog Piper, I'm sorry if you see my house, it's so messy, but this is Piper. Hi Piper. Hello. Yeah, so I took him to the vet yesterday. Oh, I just freaking stepped on her. So I took him to the vet yesterday, and I need to give him some allergy medicine because he's been sneezing a lot. So now I have 2 dogs that I'm taking care of basically on my own, and they're both kind of sick. Ever since we moved to Texas, I feel like his allergies have gotten a little more like noticeable, I guess, if that's the word, because obviously we're new here. You know, the weather here, he's not used to it, and it's been rainy here. Like it's been rainy, and I feel like that rain, you know, is just kind of clogging up his nose whenever we go out. And I do take him out a lot more frequently now because I feel like he's getting old, so his bladder, like he can't really you know, hold his bladder. Also, I do have like a little mouth sore, and my wisdom tooth is kind of growing in right now. So if you see me kind of like with a lisp, that's why. It's because it hurts. But I'm still trying to film and get up some content for you guys because I bought some cute stuff from HomeGoods and stuff today, so I really wanted to show you guys that too. and just update you guys on my life, because I didn't even give you guys like an apartment tour yet, and I'm sorry, but okay. So I will show you my apartment today in this video, but I will not show you my room, because my room, I'm not proud of my room right now. It's just not it. So you guys will see my room another time. What else do I have to update you guys on? Oh yeah, so I already told you that my boyfriend's moving in. So my boyfriend was never living with me. I got that question so many times when I first moved here. They were like, oh, you're moving with your boyfriend? I'm like, no, I live by myself. I'm sorry if the camera ever gets out of focus. But anyways, yeah, so I'm also thinking about moving, and I know I just fucking moved here. I know, guys, you guys are gonna be so mad. So I know I just moved here, but when I say move, I'm thinking about moving somewhere else in the Texas area. I'm just thinking about moving somewhere else because I feel like the space where I'm at right now, I just don't have enough space. I'm definitely gonna move out of this unit because I feel like this unit is just too small for me. I believe it's like around 800 something square feet, which is really big. Okay, it's actually really big, but it's just not enough for me, my 2 dogs, and my boyfriend. So preferably I would like to move out somewhere that has a yard. They do have some apartments here that have yards, and also I was looking into townhomes as well, but I don't know because I do still have a budget. I did reach out to some realtors around here, so hopefully they will help me find, you know, my perfect little place to stay until I am ready to buy a home, which is in the near future, because I'm ready to settle down in Texas. I know that my life is here, and I really like it here. Like I don't see myself moving anywhere else besides Florida, but Florida is when I'm like retired, kind of. I think that is all that I need to update you guys on before we start like cleaning and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like my disgusting kitchen. Please don't judge me. I have been like going through it, guys, because my dogs have been sick, both of them, and I've just been home like trying to take care of them. And like honestly, the only thing that's keeping me sane right now is my freaking Switch, Animal Crossing. Like if it wasn't for Animal Crossing, I think I would go crazy. Also Sims, but I haven't been playing Sims as much. But anyways, I'm not gonna show you my living space because it's literally so messy right now. Like I don't even want to show you. But anyways, I did hang up my Christmas tree, guys. I do have the squishmallow ornaments. These are from Costco. They're so cute, guys. I think they still have them, so you should run. I also got this one from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Yeah, this is my tree. And then my star has a snowflake projector on top. Like, is that cute or cute? So honestly, if you want the honest truth, oh my gosh, she like messes with the skirt all the time. I'm not really happy with my tree because I feel like it could use more ribbon and more ornament. I literally have no storage space in this apartment, like, and they have storage units that you can rent here, but I'm not gonna do that. Like I'm not gonna pay another probably $100 a month just to store stuff. Like I'm just gonna have to wait until I have a house, so I have things, you know, something to store it in. But as of right now, like I don't want to go too crazy. But yeah, so that's my tree. And then guys, I've really been going through it. Like this is my freaking kitchen. It's so messy. Look at the clothes on the seats. There's just so many dog medicine, not the dog medicine. Yeah, so I just really had to clean today, and I just thought, hey, I might as well clean with you guys. So first I'm gonna start off clearing the counters, and then I'm gonna go to the dishes. What the heck is happening out there? And then I also want to start cooking today too. I'm gonna make kapia. I don't know if you guys know that, but it's a Hmong dish. It's just like a thickened chicken broth noodle soup, and it's so good. You can put like spices and stuff in it. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started on cleaning. I will talk to you guys when I'm done.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
So I had the robot vacuum going and she was so scared of it. I'm sorry. You're so cute.
I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart cut a phone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside.
Okay, so I have this table right here and I want to put this garland I bought. I got this garland from Hobby Lobby the other day. Wait, no, it was at home. I got it from at home and I really wanted it to be on my TV stand because as you can see, like the stockings are there. But if you can see the sound bar right there, I put it on top of the sound bar and it's just blocking the subtitles. So I can't really do that. So I'm gonna try and see if I like it on this table. What I don't like about it is it has this hoop that's just kind of sticking out of the table like that. And I just don't like how that looks. I don't know, like I feel like it looks nice, but then isn't that awkward? Like that thing. I could put it on my entryway table. It's not the cutest right now, I know. I'm not gonna keep that tissue box there. It's so ugly and don't look at those boxes. But I could put it here too. I'm just gonna have to keep it here for now until I find a better place for it, but honestly I think it's just gonna stay here. Okay, so now that I'm done basically cleaning my house, I want to show you guys some packages and some stuff that I bought today. These are my new seasoning shakers. I got really aesthetic seasoning shakers because I just don't like the way how bulky and colorful it looks in my cabinet right now. And then I got like this little shelf organizer. So I ordered some carpet tape. This is for my runner in my kitchen. This one down here, I honestly feel like I want to not get rid of it, but I just don't want to put it out here yet because Somi, my new puppy, is still being potty trained and she loves to pee on this carpet. And it's just like really frustrating.
Right outside, ET, two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
Yay, my carpet finally sticks to the floor. It used to like roll up at the ends because Somi would always like tug on it, but it doesn't really move, so that's good. Everything will be linked in my bio, by the way, down below if you guys are interested in these for your house as well. Also, I got this rug from Amazon. I love it for my kitchen. Okay, so the next thing I got was a vacuum charger for my Shark vacuum because Somi ate it up. So just had to get another one of those. So I forgot what these are called, but this is like a utensil holder when you're like cooking and you need a place to set it. I got this one from Home Goods. It's so cute. I'm so excited for this item. I got this at Home Goods. It's just like a marble tray and it has gold handles. So I didn't know if I wanted this for the kitchen or the bathroom. So I might put them in both places and see which place I like the most. I'm leaning more towards the bathroom because I don't have any decor in there yet, so I might just do that. So my vision was to put it right here. I don't know if I want it like diagonal. Diagonal's kind of cute too. Okay, let's try that first. So these are my little dental flosses and Q-tip holder. I definitely want to put that there. I do want to put my candle here as well. And I'm just not really sure what else I want to put here. I could put my lotion here. It's not that aesthetic, but I mean it worked. This is kind of ugly, but I need that there, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. It would look so much cuter in the kitchen, but honestly I just really need decor for my bathroom. Oh, so this is my Shein package. It's just a pair of boots. I got these really cute white combat boots from Shein. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I got them for Slander. I'm gonna see them next week in Dallas, so I'm so excited for these. I'm like kind of afraid because it's been really cold in Texas lately and I'm just not ready to freeze my butt off because the rave is also outside too. So I got these mats for my bathroom. Guys, they are literally so soft. Let me tell you, I'm not really a fan of like stripes ever, but this was just so soft and it matches my aesthetic perfectly. I just wish you could feel how soft they are. So I'm gonna put these in my bathroom. Okay, so I'm using my tripod, but this is how my bathroom looks. Nothing to it, really. It's kind of messy. I know, that's like so ugly. Okay, so I just put them in my bathroom and they look so cute. I love it. I love how it looks. The last item I got from HomeGoods was this non-stick pan. I just needed a new one. This is my last package for today. This is from X Fenty and I work with them, and oh my gosh, I am so excited because they're launching a X Fenty Sports collection. So they sent me a set from their new collection and it's so cute. Ooh, it feels really nice. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. The material feels like really good. Ooh, I can definitely tell I will not be getting no camel toe in this. So cute. Love how stretchy it is too. And then this is the sports bra that comes with it. It just looks like this. Really cute, comfy, such a cute lounge set. I'm definitely going to be wearing that. And it's a really nice color for fall as well. So I'm really excited to wear that. Thank you, X Fenty, for always sending me your goodies. I think that's everything. Oh yeah, I also bought this. I bought this at HomeGoods too because Summer makes a lot of accidents on the carpet. So I'm always like scrubbing and vacuuming. So yeah, that's going to come in handy. I already used it. Anyways, I believe that is it. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming this video. By the way, I just want to apologize sincerely for my camera not focusing on me as well as I wanted to. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up on your way out. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you soon in my next video. Bye!